Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can withdraw your TransferWise money to USDT. So, and if you are the kind of person that are actually looking towards or using Binance to do P2P on Binance and be able to withdraw your Wise money, unfortunately for you, or for us rather, this option is no longer available on Binance again. As you can see, if you go to Binance, then go to their P2P option, you filter the payment option to USD, and you're actually looking for Wise in the payment option. You observe that Binance actually remove Wise from that payment option. So that means if you have TransferWise money or Wise money, you won't be able to withdraw it to USDT. So I'm going to show you alternative way you can actually do it to actually make sure you withdraw your Wise money to your local currency. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop any latest update, you are going to be the first one to watch, implement my strategy and make money online. So the alternative website you are going to be using in this video is actually called OKS. So OKS is more of like a alternative to Binance because this website has been existing for more than 3 or 4 years now, but it is few people that actually know about OKS. So I'm going to withdraw the link to OKS inside the video description. So if you are using the link, I believe they are going to give you $3 to trade on OKS. So you have to use the link that I'm going to provide inside the video description. So after you got into this particular website, the first thing you have to do is to actually to make sure that you register with your email, your details, and more importantly, ensure you actually verify your account. So you can verify your account by uploading maybe your national ID card, your voter's card, or any means of identify that it is you. So verification is very fast. As you are uploading details, they are going to make sure they verify your account instantly. They don't waste your time. So after you verify your account on OKS, the next thing you have to do now is to come to their platform, then click on exchange. You have to come to this option of buy crypto, then come over to the P2P option. So this particular platform will allow you to do P2P and be able to exchange any of your currency. As you can see, you can actually buy USDT with your local currency. Because I'm from Nigeria, that is why it's showing me NGN. As I can also sell. So in consequent video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can buy and sell on OKS. So if you want to see most of this tutorial, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be the first one to watch and learn. So but now I'm actually concerned about trading my Wise money for USDT. So I'm going to change the option from NGN to USD. So I'm going to find USD from the option USD. Then this is USD. I'm going to actually enter this option. Then in the payment option, I'm going to locate Wise. We're actually trading Wise over here. So we are going to find Wise, click on the option. So we are going to type in Wise from the option. Wise. So as you can see, Wise is actually available on this platform, unlike Binance that doesn't allow us to do P2P through Wise option. So let's continue. As you can see, it's loading up. So right now, I actually have $120 on this Wise account. So I'm going to be doing the P2P. So let's find merchant we are going to use. As you can see, this particular merchant is mystery merchant, and is selling 17,000 USDT. So but we are not going to trade this with this particular person. We are going to go with this one. So this one, this particular person have just 48 trades. So I will actually go for the one that have more trade. So as you can see, this particular NTC 99, this particular person is good to trade with. It has done like 314 transactions and 99.05 completion rate and 99.30% review. And this particular person is online, so I believe we can actually go with this person because as you can see, the total amount, the minimum amount we can trade is 100, and the total amount, the amount we have on our USDT is 100. So let's just continue by clicking on buy. So we are going to click on buy. So let's copy the amount we have in our Wise account. So copy, then come over to, then we are going to paste the amount we have over here. So we are going to paste the amount, which is 120. So we are going to receive 116 because they are going to remove a fee for doing P2P. So we are going to click on buy with 0 fee, and the trade is going to be placed instantly. So let's click on confirm the trade. So as you can see, the trade has been placed successfully. So the next thing we have to do now is actually to send the amount. So I'm going to blur this email out because it's against YouTube policy to actually be showing someone's email. So I'm going to copy the email of the buyer. So like I'm going to copy it, then come over to TransferWise, click on send over here, then enter the amount we want to actually send, which is 120. Then click on continue over here. So I'm going to paste the email, actually copy the email of the buyer. So as you can see, the name has appeared. Let's see if the name is actually matching up. Oh, okay, the name is matching up. So the next thing you have to do is to click on the name. Then I'm going to actually confirm this transaction. So click on continue the payment. So I'm going to enter my password to actually make sure I confirm the transaction. OTP is going to be sent to my phone number, so I have to confirm the OTP to ensure the money was actually authorized in my account. So I'm going to wait for the OTP for it to arrive on my phone and enter the OTP. So I just received the OTP. I'm going to enter it over here to actually confirm the transaction. So right now that I've entered the OTP, all I have to do is just to click on done to make sure that this money was sent to the recipient and they are going to release our USDT. So it's going to take a while for the transaction to be done. So as you can see, it has been sent. So all I have to do is just to click on done to make screenshots, because we are going to need the screenshot for us to confirm the transaction details. So as you can see, it's loading up. So this is the transaction details. So I'm going to use this particular Chrome extension to make a screenshot. I'm going to screenshot the host transaction, screenshot, then capture. Then done. Download. So as you can see, we successfully download the screenshot, because if you have not downloaded the screenshot, you won't be able to actually tell the buyer that you have done the transaction. So the next thing you have to do now is to ensure you click on I've made a payment. You have to make sure that you have made payment before actually clicking on I've made a payment, because if you have not done it and you actually click on it, OKX might instantly suspend your account. So I'm going to click on I've made a payment, then actually upload the screenshot I downloaded. So this is the screenshot. Then click on confirm payment. So right now the buyer is going to actually look at the transaction and complete the transaction and make sure they release our USDT. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for the buyer to come online to actually confirm the payment, and continue it as soon as it is confirmed.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about 15 minutes or 2 minutes, the buyer actually released the USDT. So I'm going to review like positive submit. So as you can see, the order is fulfilled. Like this is the best way to actually do wise to USDT, because Binance now you can't use Binance. So as you can see, if I should click on the view asset, it's going to take me directly to my OKX account. You'll be able to see the amount I currently have. So if you are the kind of person that do arbitrage, like you buy from your fellow colleagues, you can actually use OKX to do your arbitrage and be able to make money online. So if you are the kind of person that want to be doing arbitrage, I will actually encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be releasing latest updates about crypto and different updates. So as you can see, this is the recent transaction we actually did, and it has been added to our OKX balance. So in consequent video, I'll be doing how you can actually withdraw this money from OKX to your local currency. So ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to be getting the latest update for me. Also, if you actually want to make money online, ensure you watch this next video that is going to display on your screen. Thanks for watching this video.